Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to set up Google Authenticator app on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to settings from your phone. So after click on the setting, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and look for Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google account. And the next thing you need to do is to click on Google account right here. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for search Google account. There's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and navigate to Authenticator Security. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply enter your login pattern or your password. It's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google Play Store if you are using Android phone. But if you are using iOS, click on iOS App Store. So I'm using Android phone in this tutorial. I'm going to simply click on Google Play Store. So it's going to take us to this page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on Install. After a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Open. It takes you right here. Get verification code for all your accounts, step 2 verification. Next thing you need to do is to click on Get Started. Then click on Continue with your Google accounts. Continue. Then at this point here, click on Add a code. So you have two options right here. One of the first option here is scan a QR code to set up your account, or alternatively, you can enter a setup key. So I'm going to simply click on enter a setup key. Then right here, enter your account name. Your Google account name should be entered right here. Having entered your account name, enter your key right here. So having entered your key, click on add. So just like so, you have added Google Authenticator right here. So it's as simple as that. So Google Authenticator added successful to your Google account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to set up Google Authenticator apps on your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.